Hi everyone, today I will talk about vowel sound and a lesson to introduce yourself. Okay, let's begin. First with long vowel sound. E, E. We have 3 seconds. First, 3, loves, eating pork. 3, loves, eating pork. Okay, next. He likes eating beef. He likes eating beef. Again, finally, they love each other so much. They love each other so much. Okay, let's talk about sound. Eat, eat. Again, we have 3 seconds. Hey baby, I want to kiss you. Hey baby, I want to kiss you. Okay, next. Sending him is her hobby. Sending him is her hobby. Again, finally, I love drinking milk. I love drinking milk. Again, let's start our sound. Oop, oop. Again, we have 3 sentences. First, 3, push up, her coat. 3, push up, her coat. Again, next. 3, looks very good. 3, looks very good. Again, finally, I push up every day. I push up every day. Again, finally, long vowel sound. Ooh, ooh. Again, for example, but don't shoot me, I'm scared. Don't shoot me, I'm scared. Finally, I like eating food. I like eating food. Again, make a lesson to introduce yourself. I'm Jim. Let's begin. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I want to tell you something about myself. My name is Jim. I'm from Taiwan. It's a very beautiful city. I am a student of Taiwan University. I like listening to music, reading books, and swimming. In the future, I want to become an English teacher because I like English very much. I am very happy to meet you. Thank you very much. Bye. See you next time.